Hi, good afternoon, my dear student. Yes, today I go to discuss most important chapter, matrix. Do you know that it is a very important branches of mathematics? It is a various forms to applications and other things are there. Do you know that it is in the form of whenever it extend form of linear equation to point out for the coefficient, a shortest form to point out for the linear another form. So you have studied in the 10th standard pair of linear equation, how to point out the x, y, z value. That one, it is a very shortest and extended forms are there. Those are we are going to point out for the values. On this base, we are going to express for the equations. So let us, we are going to take the applications most important. However, whenever they are going to market, they make it a list of all that material. It's one form in the form of rectangles. Our board, it is the best example for the rectangle. So which is having for the so many elements, a number or function. So here in the form of order of rectangle and array. Array means the numbers or element or functions. On this base we are going to. And same things, you know that we are in our home, electric boards are there, which is so many wires that connecting in the form of rectangles, TV or so boards and everything. Whenever you are going to school, that in front of board they are writing messages, that is also in the form of rectangle. All these things, the applications of our greatest things, budget, scalar or business and science. So in the science, all that branches, we are maximum we are using for our matter. I hope you know that it is a form of the tablet system. On this base, we are going to express for the values. So let us discuss one by one how we are going to in each cases that we are going to defining for the matrix. So here in this expression defining for the very important form matrix. What do you mean by matrix chapter? Do you know that? So here let us discuss one by one. A rectangular order of array of numbers or elements or functions. These are known as called the functions are called the we are going to define for the matter. So for example, generally I can consider examples. So here I can take a capital letter denoted as. So here simple word 1. So matrix in the form of closed figure, right? So here how many element? One element in the form of one row and one column. Clear? So here B I can consider 1, 2, 3, 4 is right here. So 2 cross 2. Number of rows, number of columns. So C whatever you can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 2 rows, 3 columns. Right? On this base, we are going to express for the values. So you know that most important concept. So what are the possible order of? They're asking question. So one simple question is there. So here keep observe. What are the possible order of you can take 8 order of 8 elements. How you can define? Keep observe. So before this one, you can ask that question that we are going to express for the values. So here 8 is there. What is the 8 factor? 1. So here 2. Here 4. Here 8. These are expressed in the form of. So 8 1. So 8 2. So 8 4 are all these are. These are the possible order. So matrix, order of a matrix. Next I am going to define order of a matrix. So order of a matrix, do you know that? So I can consider general form A11, A12, A13, so on A1Z or IZ is there, you can express. So here one pix is there, here J. So A1M, M into N, here M N, correct? So A21, A22, A23, so on to Z, so on to N. So like that, AI1, AI2, AI3, so on AI Z, right? This is the most important. AIN, right? On this one, AM1, M2, M3, so MZ, so on MN. This one in the form of product. So M cross N. So that base we are going to find out. So therefore, AIJ matrix means here we are express AIJ. So M cross N. In this one, 1 less than or equal to first element is I, less than or equal to M, first condition. 1 less than or equal to J, less than or equal to N. So this one, it is a matrix which is having order of element. So keep observe. Then only I can take first exam. Then we are going to express for the next most important, how to construct for the matrix and how to define for the values. And next class I am going to define for the types of matrix. So row, column matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, and different type of matrices are there. Each would be, I will go to study it in that next class. So please try to understand most important chapter. So thank you so much. I will continue the next video. Bye.